Hey everyone, I'm Eddie Ray of eddieraymagic.com, and today's how-to is how to do magic tricks with just a tie. And I'm going to show you 3 little tricks or stunts you can do with the tie. The first one is the one-handed knot. You can do it with rope as well, but I like using the tie. You can borrow the tie if you like. You're going to drape the tie over your hand, and you want to have just a little bit of the tie behind your hand. And of course, the front part goes between your pinky and your ring finger as well. Your hand will turn over just like this. Your index finger and middle finger will grab the tie and hold on. As it falls off your hand, this end sneaks through, creating the knot. If you do it fast and kind of snap the end a little bit, you get a nice looking visual effect of the one-handed knot, like that. The second one was tying a knot without letting go of the ends. So you can place the tie down, and you can actually have people try to do this. There'll be all kinds of doing things like this. You don't have to worry about that. They can't do it. But here is the secret. Tying a knot without letting go of the ends, all you have to do is cross your arms, grab one end of the tie with your fingers, and the other end. Never let go. Just uncross your arms, and it will automatically tie the knot right in the middle. And the third one is a vanishing knot or a slip knot in the tie. You hold the ends like this. You're going to drape the right end over your arm, like this. Actually, you probably want to hold on to it with your thumb and index finger as well. Your middle finger is going to clip this end right here, creating your slip knot. So you can pull that tight a little bit more. Then of course, it looks just like a real knot. When you pull, the knot disappears. I'm Eddie Ray, and you just watched how to do magic tricks with just a tie.